Welcome, dear soul. You have arrived here by no mere chance. The universe itself has steered your journey to this very moment. I am here to share revelations about magic and energy that, should you choose to embrace them, could pivot the course of your life towards profound transformation. Stay with us as we unfold this tapestry of wisdom until the very end of our time together today. Have you ever noticed a shiver running down your spine as unseen eyes gazed upon you from afar, or felt a surge of soothing warmth when clasping the hand of someone you hold dear? These are not mere coincidences, but whispers of a deeper truth, revealing the existence of a potent inner magic that dwells silently within each of us. This isn't merely poetic language. This is about real magic, an undeniable force that both the sages of old and contemporary scientists recognize, albeit under a different name today: energy. In this simple equation, magic is energy. Our venerable ancestors across diverse cultures tapped into this vibrant source through ancient wisdom traditions. They left behind a treasure trove of insights and spiritual practices designed to help us access and channel this energy, not only for our own growth, but also as a beacon of light for the collective good. Today, I invite you to journey with me as we explore the sacred secrets of inner magic. We will draw from the timeless wisdom of the Emerald Tablets of Thoth, navigate the mystical insights of the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, and decode the transformative teachings of the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. Together, let's unlock the magic within and around us, the heart of the flame. At the heart of ancient wisdom traditions is a simple yet profound truth. Everything in the universe, including ourselves, is made up of energy. This vital energy, known by many names such as prana, chi, or life force, serves as the very essence that animates our lives and connects us to the expansive web of existence. When we learn to feel, nurture, and guide this energy, we unlock the magic within us, revolutionizing both our personal lives and the world at large. The Emerald Tablets, an age-old artifact attributed to the legendary sage Thoth, also called the Atlantean or Hermes Trismegistus, offer deep insights into the nature of this inner magic. Thoth describes the existence of 7 lords who reside in shadowy realms, guiding humanity toward a profound understanding of the universe. He shares that true wisdom, knowledge, and power come from seeking within the heart of the flame. Thoth's words encourage us. Wouldst thou gain knowledge of power? Seek ye it in the heart of the flame. Wouldst be one with the heart of the flame? Seek then within thine own hidden flame. This mysterious message points us toward the core of our own spirit, where a concealed fire burns, the hidden flame. What is this flame, and how do we access it? Many spiritual paths view the heart as the home of the soul, the central point of our existence, where the divine spark thrives. By focusing inward and connecting with our heart's wisdom, we can start to access the vast energy and potential residing within. Meditation is a powerful tool for engaging with the heart of the flame. By calming our minds and centering our thoughts on the heart, we cultivate feelings of warmth, expansion, and inner brightness. It's common to feel tingling, throbbing, or a sense of vibration in the heart area, as if an actual flame is alight within us. Continuing this meditation, we might notice our perception of the world shifting. We could feel more connected to everything around us, with the lines between us and others seeming to blur. Insights and realizations about our true purpose might emerge as the heart's wisdom silently guides us. Another method to connect with this flame is through energy work, which involves sensing and manipulating the flow of life force around and within us, thus awakening the dormant magic in our souls. A simple practice involves placing your hands over your heart and picturing a bright flame there. With each inhale, imagine this flame growing larger and more intense, filling you with light and warmth. As you exhale, see the flame becoming steady and secure in your heart, a beacon of light and wisdom. As you practice these techniques, you may find significant changes in your consciousness and your ability to shape your reality. You might notice more synchronicities and opportunities appearing, as if the universe itself is aligning to support your greatest intentions and dreams. If you are curious to learn more about the wisdom of Thoth, consider subscribing to our channel. We hold the keys to his library and are excited to share the knowledge of Thoth with you. Let's continue exploring how to master the magic and energy that surround and fill us. Practical Techniques. Part 1. To truly unlock the power of inner magic, it's crucial to establish a routine in energy work and cultivation. This journey involves mastering the flow of life force, or prana, both within us and in the space around us, employing methods like pranayama, visualization, and meditation. In the treasured Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, a seminal work in classical yoga philosophy, the technique of pranayama, breath control, is highlighted as essential for harnessing this vital energy. Regulating our breath allows us to guide the prana flow, thereby reaching remarkable states of consciousness and connecting with the universe's boundless potential. A particularly transformative pranayama method is alternate nostril breathing, or nadi shodhana. Start by sitting in a relaxed position with a straight spine, gently closing your eyes. Using your right thumb, close your right nostril and take a deep breath through the left. At the peak of your breath, switch by closing the left nostril with your right ring finger and exhaling through the right nostril. Continue this pattern, inhale right, exhale left, and so on. This practice, performed smoothly and steadily, often brings a fresh sense of equilibrium and clarity. It works by balancing the brain's hemispheres and aligning the masculine and feminine energies within us, laying a solid foundation for the surge of inner magic. Visualization forms another cornerstone of effective energy work. By crafting vivid, sensory-rich images in your mind, you can steer the energy flow to manifest your intentions. One effective visualization exercise is the energy ball technique. Begin by rubbing your hands together until they feel warm and tingly. Position them slightly apart, facing each other, and imagine a ball of glowing energy between them. With each inhalation, see this energy ball expand and brighten, pulsating with life. With each exhalation, watch it condense, gaining intensity. Feel the warmth and vibration in your hands, indicating the prana's movement. When you're ready, let this energy sphere envelop your whole body, transforming into a cocoon of golden light that penetrates every cell, clearing away obstructions and awakening your magical potential. Meditation also plays a pivotal role in the effective use of inner magic. This practice deepens our connection to the divine source and enables profound introspection and energy alignment. To incorporate meditation into your routine, find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably without disturbance. Begin by focusing on your breath, allowing each inhale and exhale to draw you deeper into a state of relaxation. Gradually, expand your awareness to include the sensations in your body and the subtle energies around you. This heightened state of consciousness not only facilitates a clearer understanding of your inner self, but also strengthens your capacity to manipulate prana effectively. Moreover, the integration of chakra meditation enhances the flow of energy throughout the body. Each chakra corresponds to significant nerve bundles and major organs. By meditating on these energy centers, starting from the root chakra at the base of the spine to the crown chakra at the top of the head, you can unlock each segment, encouraging a smoother energy flow. This not only boosts overall vitality, but also improves mental and emotional health, paving the way for a more resilient and energetically balanced self. Practicing these techniques consistently will help solidify your connection to your inner magic, allowing for a more harmonious and enlightened existence. Regular practice of this visualization can lead to significant changes in your energy field and enhance your ability to manifest your deepest desires. Drop a comment below if you plan to try these techniques, and stay tuned for more advanced practices I'll introduce shortly. Cultivating true magic. As you engage in practices like pranayama, visualization, and energy work To nurture your inner magic, you'll come to understand that true magic isn't about conjuring supernatural acts or dominating others. Instead, it's about harmonizing with the fundamental energies of consciousness and utilizing your unique abilities to forge a life filled with purpose, meaning, and happiness. The Emerald Tablets, penned by the sage Thoth, provide profound insights for a magical, purposeful existence. Thoth enlightens us with the words, "Magic is knowledge, and only knowledge is law. Be not afraid of the power within thee, for it follows law as the stars in the sky." This guidance implies that magic isn't an elusive or supernatural force, but a natural manifestation of the universal laws that orchestrate the cosmos. By syncing with these laws and understanding the power we hold, we can begin to live authentically magical lives. This process involves trusting our intuition, following our hearts, and acting in harmony with our highest ideals and dreams. Self-reflection and introspection are vital practices for aligning with these truths. By dedicating time each day to quietly connect with our inner selves, we can recognize the voice of our true self, infinitely wise, loving, and creative. We might contemplate questions like, what fills me with joy? What are my unique skills? How can I use these to positively impact the world? Delving into these inquiries and listening to the inner responses helps us define our life's purpose and direction. Another path to a magical and purposeful life is cultivating gratitude for life's beauty and wonders. By appreciating the blessings and miracles in every moment, we shift our energy from scarcity to abundance, from limitation to possibility. A simple gratitude practice involves keeping a daily journal where you note 3 things you're thankful for, whether they be small joys like a soothing cup of tea and a beautiful sunset, or profound experiences like connecting deeply with someone or experiencing a spiritual epiphany. As gratitude becomes a daily ritual, you might notice a change in how you see the world, recognizing the magic and beauty in every moment. Ultimately, to live a magical and purposeful life is to understand that you are a co-creator of your reality, capable of shaping your experiences and manifesting your deepest wishes. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the noblest parts of yourself, and by fostering a strong connection and appreciation for the world around you, you embody the very magic within you. As you walk this path of inner magic and transformation, remember you are not alone. You are part of a worldwide community of seekers and innovators, each contributing uniquely to the evolution of a new era of awareness and creativity. Practical Techniques, Part 2. Now let's dive into some practical techniques and exercises designed to awaken and nurture your magical potential. By quieting your mind and focusing inward, you create a sanctuary where your deepest wisdom and guidance can flourish. The Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, an ancient Sanskrit text on the essence of consciousness and meditation, presents 112 methods for unlocking inner magic and experiencing ultimate reality. One simple yet profound technique involves observing the natural flow of your breath. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the cool air entering your nostrils and the warm air as you exhale. Let your breath move freely, without attempting to alter its rhythm. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently redirect your focus to the sensation of your breath. This non-judgmental redirection nurtures a spacious, peaceful state within you, and you'll become more aware of the subtle energy currents in your body with each breath. Regularly practicing this breath awareness can deepen your inner peace, clarity, and connection to your own magical essence. Another transformative approach is chanting or repeating mantras, a practice revered in many spiritual traditions for its vibrational impact on our mental and physical well-being. A powerful mantra to start with is Om Namah Shivaya, which means I bow to the inner self. Find a quiet spot, relax, and chant this mantra silently, focusing on the resonance of the sounds rather than their literal meaning. This repetition can produce a profound inner calm, and may stir sensations like warmth or tingling, signaling the activation of your inner magic. Beyond these structured practices, you can also cultivate magic in everyday interactions and activities. Consider the energy you bring into conversations. Are you communicating with love and understanding, or are barriers like judgment and fear creeping in? Active, mindful engagement in discussions can foster more meaningful and energetic exchanges. Likewise, everyday connection with nature, be it a walk in the park, sitting by a body of water, or caring for a plant, can also be a rich source of magical insight. Take the time to really feel the sun's warmth, the wind's caress, or the earth's steadiness underfoot. Such moments not only ground you, but can also impart a deeper sense of belonging and insights from the natural world. Embrace life with wonder, curiosity, and openness. By being fully present and responsive to the energies and opportunities around you, you tap into the vast potential within. Whether through meditation and mantra chanting, or simply by being conscious in your daily life, the magic within is always accessible, ready to be discovered and harnessed. Remember, when I talk about magic, I'm referring to the very real and powerful energy that is part of you. Journey to inner magic. As we draw close to the conclusion of our journey exploring inner magic, it's evident that awakening and transforming is a lifelong endeavor, demanding patience, dedication, and an openness to the mysteries that lie ahead. By adopting practices such as meditation, energy work, and self-reflection, and by resonating with the wisdom of ancient traditions, we can start tapping into the boundless potential within us, leading lives filled with real magic and meaningful purpose. However, the path to discovering inner magic isn't always straightforward. It challenges us to face our deepest fears and limitations, discard outdated habits and beliefs that hold us back, and boldly step into the unknown with faith and bravery. There will undoubtedly be moments when we feel lost, perplexed, or detached from our inner strength and wisdom. During these times, it's crucial to remember that the magic within is always accessible, ready to be reignited and harnessed. By steadfastly adhering to our practices and by choosing to surround ourselves with positive and encouraging influences, we can overcome the hurdles that emerge along the way and continue to expand and transform in unimaginable ways. Thoth, the ancient sage, reminds us, light is infinite and light is finite, separate only by darkness in man. Seek ye to rend the veil of the darkness, bring thou together the light into one. This teaches us that by living from a place of inner magic, anchored in the heart of the flame, guided by righteous wisdom and illuminated by truth, we become a source of light and inspiration to others. You not only awaken the magic within yourself, but also inspire others to discover their own, contributing to a world that blossoms with compassion, creativity, and vibrancy. The practice of journaling as an additional tool to support your journey of inner magic. This technique allows you to capture insights and progress, reflect on personal growth, and clarify your thoughts and intentions. By regularly documenting your experiences with meditation, visualization, and other practices, you create a personal archive that can serve as a source of inspiration and guidance during challenging times. Journaling not only helps in tracking your evolutionary journey, but also provides a private space to explore and resolve internal conflicts, enhancing your overall well-being and deepening your connection to your inner self. This reflective practice reinforces your commitment to your spiritual path and helps maintain a clear and focused direction towards personal and universal enlightenment. So, as you continue your own journey of inner magic, dear child of the light, carry with you the knowledge that you are not alone. You are supported and guided every step of the way, equipped to transform not only your own life, but also to enrich the lives of those around you. Go forth with the confidence that your path is a noble one, filled with potential and illuminated by the magic that resides within you.